Chicken tortilla wrap. Breakfast tortilla wrap. Ingredients: 1. Original grilled chicken breast strips with rib meat. 2. Garden salad. 3. Mexican style cheeses. 4. 3 eggs. 5. Flour tortillas. 6. TostadasCaseras Amarillas. 7. Smoked ham. Crack 3 eggs into a bowl and stir. Add 1/8 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon basil leaves, 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder. Mix well. One-quarter cup water. To make scrambled eggs. Make a cutout at the midpoint of the flour tortilla. Place some chicken breasts in quarters. The salad is also placed in a quarter position, and the surface is topped with sour cream. Put some cheese on the other quarter. Tostadas were placed in the final quarter. Of course, you can substitute any ingredients you like. Now it is time to fold the tortilla wrap. You want to start with one of the flaps from where the tortilla was cut. Fold it upwards first to make the first layer. The ingredients in this layer will be combined, so make sure you plan for it. Then fold it to the side and then down to complete the wrap. At the same time, I also made ham, scrambled eggs, added a little mayo, salad, cheese and tostadas, poured in a little sour cream to taste. Heat a frying pan and spray cooking oil in the pan. Start the stove on medium heat. Put the tortilla wraps in the pan without flipping them and wait around 2 minutes until the bottom layer is crispy. Spread a bit of mayonnaise on top. And turn over. Spread a little mayonnaise on the crispy side as well. Optional. About 30 seconds. Take it out when both sides are crispy.